Find the slope of the line passing through the points 2, 3, and 6, 11. We know our slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that formula. Let's make 2, 3 our first point, x1, y1, and the 6, 11 our second point, y2, x2, y2. Now, it doesn't matter which one is point 1, point 2, just keep it the same. So we want our y2 first, which is 11, minus our y1, which is a 3, over our x2, which is 6, minus our x1, which is 2. Now we just simplify the numerator and the denominator. 11 minus 3 is an 8, and 6 minus 2 is a 4. 8 over 4 is a 4. And so our slope here, the line passing through these 2 points, 2, 3, and 6, 11, is 4.